Hi everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can install the Node.js. So to install the Node.js, you need to search Node.js in Google and thereafter click on this Node.js. It will lead you to this page. Thereafter, you can simply click on Get Node.js, otherwise you can click on Download Node.js. Thereafter, here you will see your macOS operating system is already selected. So this is the instruction which you can follow along to install the raw version, or you can say that you can build a Node.js from the source. Otherwise, if you scroll it down a little bit, then you can see here pre-built binary is already provided by Node.js. You can simply select your macOS, thereafter your architecture is here, and then you can simply download this PKG version. Depending on your system, whether it is ARM machine or Intel, you select this architecture, thereafter download this macOS installer. Depending on internet speed, it will download. Here it is. Thereafter, you can just simply open this in download directory. Thereafter, you just need to simply double click on this. Now it will start installing Node.js. Click on continue, continue. I agree with the license. Thereafter continue, and then finally install this. You need to put your password. That's all. Now it has started installing your Node.js. It might take a while to install this Node.js. As you see here, your Node.js is installed, and this is the directory where it has installed. It has installed npm as well. Let's go ahead and close this. Now what we need to do here, we need to come to your terminal. So the one thing there, we notice there we need to add our path. Otherwise, we can start this new terminal and thereafter you can check our Node.js. You can just simply write here node -v. With this, you can get your Node.js version. If this throws the error, that means your Node.js is not seen in the path or a system path. So here it says that Node.js version is 24. Similarly, you can check your npm version as well. You can check that npm version something like this. So you have your npm version, and that is here. Perfect. So this is how you can install the Node.js. Now we have got our Node.js working in our macOS. This is all about in this lesson. I'll see you next one.